If you want to be able to take photos with a voice command on the Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to open the camera. Once you open the camera, over here we should be able to tap on these four dots that we have on the right side, and then you want to go to camera settings. After going to camera settings, over here we should be able to scroll down, and you're looking for shooting methods. So we're gonna go over here, and we have voice commands which we can easily enable in here in case they are not enabled yet. And here we can also read all of these commands that are available for you to say out loud to capture a photo or even record a video. So here we have smile, cheese, capture, and shoot in order to take a photo, or you can say record video in order to start recording a video. Keep in mind that this option might be available only in some languages. Many languages are probably not supported, so you might not be able to find this option in your language if you don't use, for example, English, although you can of course check out this setting to find out if it is supported in your language. Leave a like and subscribe.